Hi, I'm Bernice and I'm going to be doing the vinegar, soda and balloon experiment. So first you have to add vinegar into your bottle. So I'm just using a very simple bottle that I found around my house since this is a home science experiment. So as you can see, I'm pouring the vinegar inside. So it should be about this much. Next, you have to add baking soda. Any soda will do. I'm using this Purist Duff one. So I suggest you grab a funnel and insert the mouth of the balloon into the funnel. So it will make it easier to transfer the soda into the balloon. So as you can see, I'm transferring it. So I fast forwarded it so you don't have to wait. Also, the amount you put will affect how big a balloon will inflate. Finally, you can stretch the mouth of the balloon onto the bottle containing vinegar. For the final result, leave your balloon and watch as the bubbles fizz up. As you can see, your balloon will inflate just like that. Now I'm sure hope you are curious to know, why did the balloon inflate? Well, the vinegar and baking soda will mix together to make an acid-base reaction. The reaction then creates carbon dioxide that bubbles out from the mixture, which was the phase that you just saw. The gas then expands up and out of the bottle and inflates the balloon. Anyways, I hope you have learned something from this video and thanks for watching. Bye!